Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out a brand new listing inside of Sam's Beachcomber with phenomenal lake views. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 555 Beachcomber Boulevard, space 249. This was just listed $189. One bedroom, one bath, killer lake views. Has a full-length covered carport. There is also a good-sized shed in the rear. So this one was built in 1992, 385 square feet. So the lake views from here on this little porch are just phenomenal. Probably doesn't do it justice from the camera, but you're right up close. You also get a boat slip, and there is a launch ramp inside the complex, and there's also Site 6 is right there. Again, this one is a 385 square feet. Lake view from the living room is amazing. So everything inside of Sam's Beachcomber is on leased land. So you're basically paying space rent. These are now financeable, and you can rent them out, short-term rentals, to both vacation renters in the summer as well as snowbirds in the winter. You have your little kitchen, your fridge, and your bathroom. So the covered port is approximately 58 feet deep, about 10 feet wide at the narrowest point. And then you have about 8.5 foot on the low end entry and about 9.5 feet on the higher side of the carport. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walkthrough over here of the property on 555 Beachcomber Boulevard, space 249. Again, this one was just listed for $189. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video. You guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.